Yeah, kami lang. Unboxing ng ating helmet. Box. Ito. Yan. Ito. Yan. Galing natin sa kanila.
There's nothing to do with you. Mind your own business.
Nilagyan pa siya. Alright.
Okay, first of all, let's get a look at that face out your voice. And secondly, as long as Spike
Ito ang
Boy's
kanyang
running around
mga
town, this is my whole business. You will forget about boys and build the fact that your conduct.
Naka-video. Yan po ang ating helmet na sinomodel ng aking nanay. Yan. Ang tatak po niya ay AXK. AXK. May ICC sticker na po siya. Yan. Good quality naman. Ha? Medyo